Enterprises have a very large treasure trove of digital assets: text, pictures, video, audio, and other digital content created and stored across the enterprise. With the advent of multiple devices and channels, delivery of these relevant assets with speed and accuracy to the right person at the right time as a service is fast becoming a topic of note. Digital content remains as important as ever in the digital age. What is managed content as a service? It is the delivery of your enterprise digital asset that has been created once and then is distributed to the requester, end user or systems independent of the delivery channels. It means that sites, services and applications can request content located anywhere in the enterprise across one or more database or repository. Take an e-commerce site or a retailer kiosk or a travel kiosk. It will have product content including description, features and benefits of the various product offerings. When you look at a clothing company site, for example, sizes, availability, color information, manufacturing details and reviews, to name just a few, will be the required content. Different business units in an organization will have content that is specific to their needs that will be stored in siloed spots. It is now common for content to get archived to make way for newer information. Now, searching and accessing information from the archives is not going to be simple, since there would be no single view which allows tracking and choosing of the most appropriate content. Thus, archived storage adds to the complexity of storage and search. It's a complicated mess most of the time to find exactly what you're looking for. The content is growing in your enterprise at an unimaginable pace, with ever-increasing volumes of information needing to be stored, accessed and shared. So, is it not time for you to consider simplifying your digital asset management process? Happiest Minds Managed Content as a Service, or MCaaS solution can make this amazingly simple. It lets you seamlessly manage all content, including documents, images, videos, and infographics, wherever they are stored across the enterprise, almost as a plug-and-play. Our content delivery system can work across any and all storage types, be it on-premises or on cloud or across social networks. Our managed API interface can be integrated to provide that functionality. Governance of information has become increasingly important for an enterprise today. It is essential to limit access of information to only those who need it. With MCaaS, you'll always know what's happening with your content, who is accessing it, from where and how. Another important feature of MCaaS is that the solution demarcates and tags data coming in from the myriad possible sources within the enterprise, cloud, on-premise and social streams. For example, the data coming in from your company's social media profiles, MCaaS will segregate them for you so you'll know the source, be it YouTube, Twitter or Facebook. Similarly, MCaaS will demarcate content coming in from multiple channels like SharePoint, FileNet, Documentum, Google Docs and Dropbox too. MCaaS lets you manage your content images, videos, InfoPack and more using a simple GUI-based console, enabling consistent update across multiple storage and data sources, advanced image processing and document management for enabling downloads based on internet connectivity. MCaaS also lets you assign users with different levels of access, detailed dashboards for reporting and analytics for understanding customer behavior, and gives detailed insights for further help in lead generation and suggesting newer dimensions of business. In addition, MCaaS is completely PaaS-enabled, offering billing, metering options, and SSO RBAC facilities for ease of use. With MCaaS, you only need to create content once. It will remain available from then on, and it can be used, reused, and accessed from anywhere thereafter. The enterprise and the content owners within it will always know exactly what is going on with the content, who is accessing it, where it is, how it is being used, and any changes made to it. By not needing to recreate content, the enterprise will enjoy both time and cost savings. In addition, by having a system that has stored the content with appropriate markers, making it easy to search, find and access, there will be less time spent in trying to search for the right content management efforts. In today's world of ever-expanding demands and growing content, having a solution that offers multiple benefits will enhance your enterprise's content. To know more about this amazing product, visit www.happiestminds.com.